welcome to Rio classes. This is the day 8 of your consignment topic. In this video, we are discussing the previous year questions which are based on the consignment. Yes, my dear student, ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಗೈಸ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ and subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ we are going to prepare the consignment account, consignee account, abnormal loss account ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ 2015, 16, 17 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಶೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ now. Okay, here is the problem number 1. My dear student, this problem they have asked in the year 2015 May. Okay, so here is that 2015 May. So let's see what they have in the problem. Sarup Mill of Belgaum consigned 10,000 kgs of oil to Ganesh Trader of Dharwad. Alright. What is the cost of oil? Oil is 8 rupees per kg. Look at that. Cost of oil is 8 rupees per kg. Right. And Sarup, the consigner. Consigner, who is consigner here? Sarup is the consigner. Consigner paid 1,000 as a carriage, non-recurring expenses. Freight is 500, non-recurring expenses. In the same time, 4,000 is insurance. That is also, my dear student, non-recurring expenses. Alright, during the transit, 1,000 kg of oil were accidentally destroyed. Means this is your abnormal loss. Okay, destroyed accidentally, for which insurance company paid 5,000 for full settlement of the claim. Alright, after 4 months from the date of consignment, the consignee, who is the consignee here? Ganesh is the consignee. He has sent the account sale that saying that 7,000 kg was sold for 9.5 per kg, and expenses being good on rent is how much, my student? It's 1,000, and salesman salary is also 1,500. You can say it's a recurring expenses. Ganesh Trader is entitled to commission at 5% on sales. So whatever he has sold, right, on that he is to get 5% commission. Okay, they also reported 40%, 40 sorry, they also reported 40 kgs due to leakage. So this is your normal loss. Normal loss. Prepare necessary account in the books of Sarup Mill. So guys, let's solve the problem. Okay, first account is we are going to prepare consignment account in the books of consigner. So who is the consigner here? Sarup. So in the books of the Sarup, which account, my dear student? Consignment account. So consignment account. So let's solve the problem now. Have a look. Sarup Mill of Belgaum consigned what? 10,000 kg of oil to Ganesh Trader of Dharwad. So they have consigned how much? 2 goods sent on consignment, correct? Alright, so tell me guys how much it is. They have sent around 10,000 kg. Alright, 10,000 kgs. What is the rate? The rate is 8 per kg. That comes 80,000. Right, 80,000. So one is done. Now Sarup Mill paid 10,000 for carriages, alright, 500 for freight, and 4,000 for insurance. So these all are non-recurring expenses, my dear student. So note on 2, you can write it bank account. All the expenses they have paid, you can mention the non-recurring expenses here. Non-recurring expenses. What are those? First they paid carriage. How much carriage? 1000 is the carriage. All right. Next, freight is 500. Freight is how much? 500. Okay. Insurance is 4000. No problem. Insurance is 4000. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 5500 rupees consignor the ಖರ್ಚಿದು. Okay. Next, during the transit, 1000 kg were accidentally destroyed, means abnormal loss. My dear student, we have to find out abnormal loss now. Let's find out the abnormal loss. So I'll write it here. Just have a look. Calculation of abnormal loss. Always remember, we have to find out the abnormal loss by doing the working note. So this is your working note number 1. Okay, goods lost in transit. Okay, I'll write it here. Goods lost in transit. How much? Just go back to the problem. Have a look here. How much kg, guys? 1000 kg. What is the rate? 8 per kg. No problem. 1000 kg at 8. That comes 8000. Plus, we are going to add what, my dear student? Non-recurring expenses. Non-recurring expenses. So here we have non-recurring expenses of only the consignor. Correct? Consignor has incurred non-recurring expenses. So what are those? What are those? Just have a look here. How much he has spent? He has spent around 5500 for 10,000 kg. Remember, 5500 he has spent for 10,000 kg. How much is for 1000? Very simple. That comes around 5500 for 10,000. How much is for 1000? 550. All right. So total abnormal loss. How much is abnormal loss, guys? Abnormal loss is 8550 now. Okay. So in the consignment account, write down here by abnormal loss account 8550. You can write it here working note number 1. Working note number 1 ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. So guys, next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಈಗ? We have to open abnormal loss account. I'll open it here. Look at that. ಇಲ್ಲಿ open ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಪ್ಪ abnormal loss account. Abnormal loss account. My dear student, this is your debit. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು credit. Okay. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Now we have to debit it. Saying that to consignment account. How much? How much it is? Just go back and check it. 8550. 8550. Write it here. 8550. How much you got it from insurance company? By bank or cash account. You can say bank account is correct. How much you got it? You got it from insurance company 5000. So write on here 5000. So my dear student, your loss will be 8550. Bring it here. 8550 minus it. 3550 is your profit and loss account. You need to transfer this to the profit and loss account. All right, so we got the abnormal loss. Now next is what? Next is till here we have done. Now After 4 months from the date of consignment, Ganesh trader reported that 7,000 kg of oil was sold. Who sold? Ganesh trader. Write on here consignee's name. Ganesh traders. Okay. So what is that? 7,000 kg. What is the rate for how much he has sold? He has sold for 9.5. How much money, student? 7,000 into 9.5. Very simple. It comes 66,500. And expenses. Whose expenses? Ganesh expenses. Being good on rent 1,000. No problem. All the expenses should be debited. Correct? So debit here to Ganesh company, Ganesh account, or you can say Ganesh trader. First is good on rent. Correct? How much is the good on rent? Good on rent is 1,000. Right on here, good on rent is 1,000. All right. Salesman's salary 1,500. Salesman's salary 1,500. Okay, Ganesh trader is entitled to a commission. So guys, give the commission now. Write down here only. No issues. Commission. All the payment should be made on the debit side. 5% on sale. Okay. What is sale? 66,500. For that, 5% is commission. How much it is? 3,325. All right, 66,500 into 5% commission is 3,355. All right, just close it because they also reported this abnormal loss. We'll calculate while calculating the closing stock. Just add this now. 1,000 plus 1,500 plus 3,325. It comes 5,825. All right, now we have to open a Ganesh traders account. That is, we have open here. Here we have, right? So just note on. Ganesh trader account. Whatever we have debited in the consignment account, now make a credit. The same time, all those we have credit in the consignment account, now make a debit. So guys, here just have a look here. Just have a look. Ganesh trader, how much debit is there, right? Make a credit by consignment account. 5,825. Now you have credit, make a debit to consignment account. 66,500. All right, so all the expenses we have done now. So just settle this account because he has paid the outstanding 66,500. You just bring it here. 66,500 minus 66,500 minus 5,825. That comes 60,675. This is the amount due from Ganesh. Now the very important part we have to prepare, that is consignment stock account. Calculation of value of closing stock. Remember. So now how much goods we have sent? Goods sent is 10,000 kg, right? What was the value? Value was 80,000. Add what, my dear student? Non-recurring expenses. Remember, all the you should take non-recurring expenses of all that consignor, consignee if you have. So in this problem, we have only consignor. How much is that? Consignor's non-recurring expenses. Go back, look at that. Here we have, right, 5,500. 5,500 is the non-recurring expenses. Add it now, my dear student. It is 10,000. All right. So value is 85,500. To this, what we do? We are going to minus abnormal loss. Minus what? Abnormal loss. How much abnormal loss? Here we have 1000 kg was the abnormal loss. In the same time, value was 8,550. 8,550 minus it 9,000 and 85,500. 85,500 minus 8,550. It comes 76,950. All right, 76,950. All right, now minus normal loss. How much normal loss, my dear student? Normal loss they are given in the problem. Just have a look. 40 kg is the normal loss. Okay, just minus this. Minus 40 kg minus ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8,000 8,960 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. 76,950 minus sold. How many kgs they have sold? Just have a look here. He has sold 7,000 kg, right? Go up here, look at that. Where it is? Yes, here it is. 7,000 kg he has sold. So very simple. 7,000 kg you minus it. You will get closing stock. How much? That will be 1,960. So therefore, value of closing stock is, look at that, 76,950 was for 8,960 kg. How much is for 1,960 kg? Very simple. Very simple. 76,950. Okay, divide by 8,960. How much is for 1,960? It comes around 16,832. So this is your value of the closing stock. All right, you can make round up to 33 also. You can round up to 33 also. I'll take it 33. So buy stock on consignment, you can say, right? Closing stock, you can say it. Closing stock in consignment account. How much? 16,833. So guys, now we have to find out the profit or loss. Here you get 91,883. You just bring it here. 91,833 minus all. The profit is 5,580. All right. So this is your profit and loss account. So this is the way we have to solve this problem. Easy, right? Let's do the next problem now. This is May 2016.